Hello, I'm Karim Magdi from Team 1945. My team members are Mohammed Hassam, Ibrahim Ahmed, Daniel Malak, and Bassem Abdu. Concerning our embedded project, I have chosen the idea of the blind-deaf communication. The project idea is basically that a person with hearing impairment can't hear but can see, and a person with sight impairment can't see but can hear. So the project idea is basically that we can develop a simple system that the deaf person can type what he wants to say to the blind, and the blind can hear it, and vice versa, which is the blind person can say what he wants to say, and it will be translated to a text so that the deaf person can see it.
I'm Ibrahim Ahmed, and we divided our project into two parts, text-to-speech and speech-to-text. In our project, we used an Arduino Bluetooth module and developing two mobile applications. We will connect the Bluetooth module The TX of the Bluetooth module will be connected to the RX of the Arduino, and the RX of the Bluetooth module will be connected to the TX of the Arduino, and the VCC and ground will be connected. And that's simply the connection.
My name is Mohammed Hussam. I'll explain to you how we developed the text-to-speech mobile application using MIT App Inventor. Okay, in the first block, before picking the Bluetooth client, the application shows all the paired devices of the mobile. Then in the first block, after picking the Bluetooth module, the application then sets the selection to the selected Bluetooth client. Then in the third block, we've made a timer, which is when it's true, it will call the text-to-speech block, which will then get the text from the Bluetooth module and sets the block and sets the clock to false to stop calling the text-to-speech block. And then if we press the button again, it re-enables the clock.
My name is Daniel Malak, and I'm going to show you the second Android code, Android application for the speech to text. This is the application we developed. So in the first block, it only shows all the devices paired with this mobile phone. And in the second block, you select the paired device you want to connect to, which will be, in our case, the Bluetooth module HC05. Okay. The third block, by pressing the button, the app translates the speech to text using Google API and save the text as a string. And in the fourth block, after getting the text from the above block, it sends the text to the Bluetooth module, which we paired with, to be displayed on the Arduino.
I'm Karim, and I will show you the Arduino code of the text-to-speech code.
First of all, we have included the software serial library to be able to have several serial communications, which are the TX and RX. We have defined the ports for them. Then we have a global variable read string and counter. The read string is the string which will store the data that we read from the serial port, and the counter, we will come to it next in a few moments. Then we create a new instance of the software serial called Bluetooth serial. We give it two inputs, the RX and TX. In the setup method, we begin the software serial instance as well as the serial port at 9600 baud rate. In the loop method, if the serial is available, we have a delay for 3 seconds. Then we read the chart that the user has entered, and concatenated to the string. Then after the user presses enter, the serial is not available, so it will go to the next method, which is the counter method, the counter if statement. It keeps on sending the string 500 times to guarantee that it has been sent. In the else statement, we empty the read string and the counter to be able to receive a new string.
My name is Basam Danalik and I will show you the speech to text Arduino code.
Okay, first we initialize a read string. So after that in setup, we initialize serial begin at 906.00 to add this serial port. After that, in the loop, we wire in the serial.available to at the input, and you have delay 3 seconds to wait to the input come from the serial. After that, we initialize *C and concatenate it with the read string from the input. After that, we have a if read string to make sure that it's zero string. If it's zero, it will output zero string, and then serial.board to print the strings.
And now let's have a try.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi.